Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time. Well, not much long time ago, less than 10 years. This was a test shooting of the camera. Pretty nice camera, Fujifilm camera test. And well, this is digital data, pretty big size. Okay, this is my subject, and I have made this by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges as always. And I have another one. This one is pretty thin, pencil drawing type image, same way. I just made two of them, so I just keep it. This is pretty good data, and I myself like this, but I just want to try sort of trial this time, which is I'm gonna desaturate this image. So I'm gonna duplicate, then take all the colors out from this image. Adjustments to hue saturation, just desaturate it all the way down. Take out all the colors, make it black and white. Alright, then I'm gonna add some colors like background around here. Instead of me change cropping or add something, some subject or something, I want to change colors of this main subject, then make it something different image. That's what I want to try to do this time. Well, let's get started. Well, I'm going to turn it off this base image. Now first, I'm going to add color to change this image. I just don't want to see this base color. Okay, go for nice skin tone first, as always. Then select the brushes. Airbrushing to medium blend. Okay, she's a model, one of the best model agency in Okinawa, Office Rhythm, the CEO. Nice model. Okay, now first okay, pretty much done. Now go for hair. This a little bit brownish. Then smudge. Brushes, same texture, no texture. Medium hard blend. Alright, now I go try this kimono, Okinawan cultural kimono we call bingata. Well, I know some colors, almost yellow and orange and type stuff, but I don't just forget about those basic remembrance. I just want to add colors. I don't know what color is gonna be, but I know some reddish color that's pretty nice, so I'm sure it's not gonna be accurate color, but let me see what kind of color balance is gonna be. Same layer, right? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add layer under this color layer. Then I'm gonna add yellowish color on here. This is normal blend right now, so easy to paint. This is white area, so not much density on it, so I won't change to blend mode to color. Just keep it normal blend mode. Okay, pretty much. Oh, and also I have, this is color layer, but I change to blend mode color, right? And I add here raw orange, but it doesn't show much because this is blend mode color. So I'm gonna add on here normal blend mode. This has a little bit more orangey-ish color, I think. Okay. Of course, I'm gonna touch up later. So, okay, this is yellowish more. Okay, so far, okay, I go a little bit more big area. Well, what colors shall I? Okay, before that, this area is bigger size too. Okay, I go here for color layer. This layer with red. Okay, getting interesting. Okay, I go for, this is normal color. So I'm gonna add on this blend mode color layer. Alright, now what color it's gonna be? Let's see. Overall color is it gonna be red, pinkish, more purple. Let's see. Green. Okay, I got it. I wanna see. Okay, I wanna add layer and base color before decide what color it's gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna add, let's see, greenish. Just wanna curious. Blend mode change to, let's see, color. Then maybe bluer. Yeah, let's see. Overall main color. If I painted blue, let's see how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna change this with hue saturation. Let me see. Goes to purple, pinkish, reddish, green, yellowish, more saturated. That's just normal. Look like Okinawan regular color image. But this a little bit, I kind of like purple. Red is too young. Maybe tone down, saturation down to almost this kind of bluer color. Goes to that blue. Maybe about this much. This is cyan. No, not green. Yellow is alright, it's just regular. Orange? Yeah, still kinda like some a little bit touch purple. Magenta-ish purple, then saturation down, or about this much. How's this? Then I'm gonna add some green background design. Add some another color on background too. Yeah, let's try this because original color is more yellowish, so I want to try on a little bit magenta-ish purple. Yeah, let's go with it. So now I'm gonna add this layer base color is purple. Alright, then I'm going to use eraser tool, medium blend, or medium hard blend. Then erase these colors on these designs. I'm going to add color. Okay, we have two blend mode color layers, two of them, and I'm going to add on here. Well, this is for base kimono's colors, so I'm going to add here for these colors. Okay, now a little bit dark, this image. I want to just smudge this one before I forget this. A little bit smooth it out with the brushes. Smooth the medium hard blend. Okay, now some bluer color, but I need more dark yellows colors. Let's go. I'm gonna touch up later. Now I want to go background. So I'm gonna add layer, then change blend mode. Okay, this is for background. Now overall, let's see. I want to try some gradation. Then make mask. This bamboo design and birds. Okay, then let's see. Some branches of the tree. Okay, now what color shall I? Is it too much colors? Maybe just tone down. About 50 or so. Well, just leave it this way this time, and I'm gonna smudge. Okay, and then maybe just more reddish model's skin tone. Well, I think colorize this original, well, Okinawa beauty shot is done for today. About colorize real colorful image, I guess. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work to colorize some image, to make another creative image. And I may want to try something different with this pencil drawing type image, with change blend mode to other blend mode to get something interesting. Maybe luminosity is pretty interesting, isn't it? To make something illustration type image for next time. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Real colorful, isn't it? Very interesting. Okay, thank you.